guys, well, we're starting the video off today in the TRX. Well, my laziness has gotten me. It didn't really bring any trouble, but it was embarrassing. So anyways, the TRX here, I don't know if you can see that down there, the inspection stickers. So in the state of Pennsylvania, you have to have state inspection and then emissions inspection, where I'm currently located. So the TRX inspection's out, unfortunately. And it was out on 9 of 22. So we're a little past that. We're a little over a year. Driving along with the family, you know, and cop flying up on me. Not right now, but like in the past tense. Boom! Flew in right behind me, was right on the bumper. I'm like, oh yeah, obviously it's us. Pull over, he pulls in. Super cool guy. I just was honest with him. I said I never got around to doing it out of pure no reasoning other than laziness. He goes, here's what I'm going to do for you. I'll write you a warning. Just swing by the police station. Once you get inspected, show me that you got inspected, and you'll be good to go. So, we're okay. We just got to get it inspected and drive by the police department. Show them. So, if you need inspection, stay up to date on your inspection. There's a little story for you. Yes, it was embarrassing. It was stupid of me. But I just never really got around to put stickers on this thing. So what we're doing is we're headed down to the Lot Auto Estates. If you could tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, something cool has hit the lot. Just showed up. And also we're going to try to get some stickers on this thing today. And then also we got a freaking bumper, and it wasn't black, but we painted it. Oh, it looks sick. We'll head to the shop after this. We'll try to get that on the truck today. Just, you know, normal day of running around doing I don't know what. All right, well, here she is, 2000. Let's check the year. I'm not even 100% sure what year this puppy is. Oh, that's nice. Sticker's gone. 19 5th gen Ram 2500 Laramie sport package, amp steps, so it's the blackout sport package. Leveling kit in 37s, Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. And surprisingly, these tires are not that loud. So it's 37, 12, 50, 20 on the factory wheel. I don't know if you see when I open the door. Amp steps, pretty, they need a little lube on them. Overall, really clean truck in the terms of dents, dings, scratches, dent there. This is running the stage 1 with just the mid pipe, and it runs freaking really nice. I think there's like a 75 horsepower tune on it. But yeah, here she is, boys. 5th gen Ram, just landed, just arrived. Where'd it come from? I do like a 5th gen Ram. I drove the TRX down here. You know, the TRX is pretty nice on the interior, but these things are also pretty nice. I mean, there's no carbon, obviously, but it has the full screen. It has everything you would want. And it smells good in here. So Ram, 5th gen, 2500, 6.7 Cummins. This does have a CP4 pump on it still. It was never updated and or changed or converted or whatever. So we're going to probably figure that out to see if we're going to do anything with that or leave it as is. I don't know yet. But yeah, stage 1, the thing rips. The throttle response on these trucks with a stage 1 is absolutely sick. But let's drive it. Guys, it's freaking diesel central down here. So Ricky just got a new Duramax in yesterday. So there's a 21 LTZ right there. The TRX, my high country is still in the back right there, just hiding right there, dude. And then potentially we might get this 13 here in on trade right now. The Denali Ultimate. I mean, look at the TRX though, man. That is my favorite truck. The Denali Ultimate's sick. That's a 22 with like 7,000 miles. Rick was going to keep that one personally, but I think this dude here might be trading in for that. So we're gonna see about that. We might have another Cummins on the lot, but I got to figure out where I'm going here. Detailer Jack's cleaning up the 21 LTZ Duramax. So there's just freaking diesels and Duramaxes and Cummins everywhere. Got no Power Strokes though. All right, guys, drivability. Freaking sick, dude. Love 5th gen Cummins. The wheels on this thing, they're like Mickey Thompson mud terrains. They are out of balance, right? So I don't know if it's front or rear, or all of them, whatever. We got to rebalance the wheels just because they got a little wobble. Everything else feels really good. Alignment's in. It is lifted. Overall drivability is epic. This has a 4-inch and it's super quiet. So inside the cab with the windows up, you can't even hear exhaust noise. You can hear engine idle, but you cannot hear the exhaust. We'll put the window down over there. Get a little WD in the window. Very, very clean truck in the terms of tuning. 4-inch. If you guys are running a Cummins and you don't want it to be obnoxiously loud where you're pulling your hair out, 4-inch is the way to go. It honestly feels like it's probably the rear tires that need balance. There's a slight wobble in the front steering wheel, but it feels like it's coming from the rear. So either way, we're gonna balance out all the wheels, all the tires, just to make sure they're all perfect. But yeah, freaking thing drives absolutely perfect. Very, very good. Brakes are tight, steering's tight. I think my heated seat's on. No. I mean, you hear how quiet that is? Wow, there's no muffler, Very, very quiet though. Good driving truck. All right, we're back at the HQ. So guys, real quick, that stage 1 kit, I wanted to touch real quick on that stage 1 kit. That is going to be a 2 modification kind of deal, which is pretty cool. That was only a 75 horse single tune. It wasn't like the full shift on the fly deal. So that was just slap that tune on there, run it, never think about it again. So that was tune and then the muffler situation. So depending on your dyno and depending on your dyno operator, you can see anywhere right around the ballpark of like 450 horsepower to the wheel with that thing at about 1,000 foot-pounds of torque on the 75 horse tune. And those come stock rated at what, 370 to the crank, which I think they overrate that a little bit. So you're more towards maybe, so I would think you're at, right around the 360-ish wheel mark, 355, 360 to the wheel. So you're adding almost 100 horsepower to the wheel with 2 modifications. Pretty cool, and it keeps that transmission in check because, yeah, you guys know about that. So with 2 simple modifications, you're almost adding 100 wheel horsepower. Super easy. But guys, that is going to be early Black Friday deal, okay? So don't wait. If you guys are wanting to get one of these, now's your time. Black Friday is always the time to get these upgrade kits for your trucks because of the price discount. So that Black Friday pricing is going to be launching early this Sunday, the 19th. It'll run through, I think, November 1st, but check the dates obviously on the website. But yeah, stage 1 kit, 2 simple modifications, and that'll go back through 5th gen Cummins, 4th gen Cummins, and then if you guys want some 3rd gen stuff, we got old Rusty Red out there. We can do some 3rd gen stuff. Let me know what you want to do. But all right, we're back at the shop. We got the freaking bumpers here. So the factory one was a mess. I said earlier in the video that we got a new bumper. So what happened was we had to take a little trip down to West Virginia. I was able to find this bumper here, but it didn't look like that, okay? This was just primered black. I couldn't find a gloss black painted to match one to the platinum, which is some special weird black. It's not just regular black. So, of course, Couldn't find any local. Wasn't really into having one shipped in from far off, and it was expensive anyway. So screw that. I figured, you know, we could just get one and freaking paint it ourselves. So one off the truck here, completely wrecked, destroyed. I don't know why their bumpers are so bad, but wow. We'll look at this in a minute. But here's the one. I already have it assembled and ready to go. Now the bumper harness is in, the sensors are in, all the plastic's back on. It's fully ready to bolt on the truck. So we flipped you around there. I'm gonna try to show you guys this without scratching it, you know, because I put some fluid film on the backside just to eliminate that issue that we had on the factory one, because good Lord, was that a freaking rusty POS. All right, so here it is. What you see is what you get. It's a platinum bumper, ready to go. Looks factory, looks brand new. I'll get you off the tripod here. So, yeah, I can only find one primer black, but we painted it. So I just went to the local auto body shop, got some paint to match my color code, and then we sprayed it here. We did 2 coats of base, which is the color, and then 2 coats of clear, and it looks brand new, looks ready to go. The bumper was a new takeoff, so the plastic's in good shape, it's just dirty. I just have to clean it up. I did pressure wash it off, but it just needs, you know, detail a little bit to look a little better. But yeah, here you go, guys. We have the bumper. It's fully ready to go. And it looks really good. Painted in-house by yours truly. I did make a little bit more work for myself. I painted it where that one's sitting on that garbage can right there with that plastic over it. And if you look a little to the left, you see a freaking bucket of oil dry. Yeah, I should have prepared my painting area a little better. So I had dirt. I had dirt in the clear coat. But on my second coat of clear, I did a heavy enough coat where we cut and buffed it. So I went over it with 1200 and then buffed it, polished it, and it's literally perfect. All the dirt's out. It just made, you know, a couple extra steps of time involved in doing this. But so my plans with this one over here, what I might do with this is strip all the plastic off of it and then go at it with a flapper wheel or something to try to get that rust off, to try to maybe clean it up, because I have enough paint where I could paint this and then I'd have either a bumper that I could sell or, you know, just keep a backup or something. I don't know. What are we gonna do with the backup bumper? I don't know. We got a good bumper. And if you look up in here, I hit a little fluid film in there just to I don't know. I probably should like evenly coat the fluid film in there to make it a nice even coating, because I mean, this is just disgusting. So this is a 2017. So what's that? 3, 4, 5, 6 winters of salt, and the bumper's ruined. So you get 6 years out of your bumper. That's all you get, and it'll look like that. Everywhere. There really wasn't one like good area left on the bumper. I mean, it's bubbled. It might look good in this dirt section here, but no, that's all bubbles. So 6 years, all you get. Got to get a new bumper. Paint it yourself. But all right, so yeah, guys, don't sleep on this Black Friday stuff. It's not just going to be for Cummins upgrade kits. It's going to be for Power Strokes and also Duramax's L5P stuff. Good pricing. I think like $200 off stage 2 and then like $150 off stage 1. Pretty good. Those deals don't come along often. The stage 1s are like perfect because it's a simple 2-part installation and you're done. You go down the road. But all right, so what my plan is now, I'm probably gonna get the Platinum in here, get this bumper installed on the truck, and then the Platinum needs a detail, and that thing will be 100% complete. Every little weird instance issue with the truck will be done. We'll be finally done. It's a long going project, but I only work on it a little bit here and there. You know, yes, I drug it out like a weird long period of time, but whatever.
whatever. Oh, also, I'm gonna do a full how I painted this video. I'll show you the paint sprayer, all the products used, how I buffed it, everything. I filmed that all here. So I'm gonna do like a DIY how to paint match your own bumper. Because essentially, if you have like any colored truck, you could go get one of these bumpers from, you know, a reseller, a salvage yard, whatever, and you could paint match your bumper. And it's fairly easy. I did it in here with freaking crap everywhere. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know what I'm doing. So next video, we'll do a how to DIY paint match your bumper, like somewhat professional. It's not like you're just gonna slap some rattle can paint on there and it's gonna chip and peel off down the road. No, like it's actually like a legit-ish job that you can do at your house. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And that 5th gen in the beginning of the video, that's probably gonna stay internally, like in the auto estates, like family. If they decide to put that up for sale, I'll let you guys know. If you guys are interested in that truck, you know, you can let me know. You can shoot me a comment. But that's a good truck. It's a sweet truck. It's super clean. But like I said, they're probably gonna hang on to that and keep it for a little bit, drive it. So it's not gonna be for sale as of right now, as of now. But things could change, plans could change, whatever. But I'll keep you guys posted. In the meantime, while I have that sitting on the garbage can, I'm gonna get that plastic stripped off of there and start kind of grinding that rust down, because I really don't know why. I guess that's a waste of time. But all right, guys, that's about it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want upgrade kits for your trucks, time is going to be now. Well, actually, Sunday. Starting Sunday the 19th. Keep an eye out. I will see you on the next one. Got water coming in the garage door over there.